I'm making a video now. Quick play. This is a free truck freestyle video. Let's do it at Atlanta. And first we're gonna have El Toro Loco starting us off. I don't really that song. Yeah. That's all I have to say. Whoa. Oh, look at these jumps. I remade some crazy jumps. Nearly possible. Most of them up what I do. El Toro Loco does not want to get back up. Get a nice little donor in there. And a little tiny little psych. And a nice little slap wheelie for 1 second. And they're not going to even count the bicycle. The first run is nearly done. On a stoppie. I get one last go going, yes. Let's see what the judges score that on. $7.858. Next struck up is great. Ooh. 40 seconds left. Hang on. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, the run continues. A certain doom continues. 23 with 20 seconds left on the clock. Let's see what the judges scored at. $17.8686. Sorry about that. And 9.825 as the score. So third place for me. Megalodon's not off with the best start. 30 seconds since his ran start, and he's not in any freestyle score right now. Currently 0.00. Barely any time left. Might not even be any of them. That's going to be very sad if he doesn't any of them. Might be Northern Nightmare, but won't be any other. If he's lucky enough, he can get Captain's Curse, or maybe even Monster Mark, but I just don't see him doing that. And he goes all the way up to third place. I can remember all the scores, so I know who the winner is out of all the three trucks. 9.101. And your winner of that was Gravedigger with a 17.6. And then it was It was after that Megalodon with a 16.9 and an El Toro logo 16.6 or something like that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out, and we'll see you for the next one.